In this tutorial topics we will study Q element and block quote element. Q element Q element is used for short quotation. It is inline. Browsers put quotation marks around text. It is a semantic tag. Let's see it in an example. We will open the VS Code Explorer in the new file. Let's name it as Q element 1.html. Now a HTML file is created. Q element 1.html. We'll write the boilerplate code shift exclamation mark with the help of emit abbreviation. The basic code is created, that is the boilerplate code. Now here we will write title as Q element, and in the body tag we will write the code. So let's start. First we will write the paragraph tag P. This is an example of Q element or Q tag. Now we'll start with Q. The tag is created. We are taking the code from another source. Now let's see how this looks. We will maximize the VS Code. File, save. Let's say this in the preview. How to get the preview? First we should get this extension installed, live server by Ritvik, live server by Ritvik Day, and once it is installed you can use the live server option, live preview. Now you can see this is an example of Q element. We are taking the code from another source and it is in quotation marks. That is, now we'll check the another Q element is done. Now it, as we have seen it, the browser quotation marks are around text. Browser puts quotation marks around the text. This is the text. We are taking the code from another source and there is quotation marks. And if we specify in Q element site from where we have taken this code, let's see another file. We will write a dummy code. HTTPS. Let's see. We have specified a URL also, example.com/source. Okay, so example.com is a documentation purpose dummy URL, and whenever the web page is made, the exact URL could be written in this place. Live preview. This is an example of Q element. This is it. Now let's write the example of block code. What is block code? The block code element specifies a section taken from another source, and site contains a URL pointing to source of code. So let's start with block code. Block code. Now whatever we will write this, it will be taken as a code from the URL specified in the site tag. Site. Now we will write this. This is the URL for the dummy URL. Let's write the code. This is an example of block code. It, and we can write anything. Let's check out. We can write this. So we are writing any text. Like this is an example of block code. It tells browsers, search engines and screen readers where the quoted text comes from. The site attribute is machine readable. not meant to be shown to users. Users won't see it on the page. Now let's see the preview. We will comment out the Q element. Control/. That means now this won't be read by the browser. Now preview. This is an example of block quote, and we can write the block quote. So we can see that whatever is written in block quote tag, it is given an indentation.